precision. Like it eliminates costly on-site errors and material wastage by using fabrication, which is a level of determination of modeling, and increased efficiency and seamless collaborations. Like we can easily integrate with other design tools like Autodesk, Revit, and integrates smoothly with automated fabrication works. You know,
Okay.
Tekla with
The
the
Revit
by
and
using.
are in BIM, sir. Like these
Pardon?
BIMs or different softwares.
Yeah, could you please repeat that?
Like Revit and Tekla are the different softwares, right?
Yeah, Tekla
Are
and Revit
command
structure are totally entire completely different.
are commander BIM or
Yeah,
different.
those all comes under BIM, but those are
Okay.
not same. See, if you
Okay.
take Excel and PPT,
Okay.
see those are not same, but they all comes under one umbrella, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, have you got
It
the
is.
point? Yeah, right.
Yes. Yes.
So we in the prominent constructions around the world, which are comes under the Tekla designed, whereas have you heard about the Daytona International Speedway, which is in USA, the international airport that was built by using Tekla. And in the Abu Dhabi, we have a iconic twisting skyscraper, which is a Capital Gate. And if you can go easily, you can know about what are the softwares, what are the construction activities that were being done by Tekla. You can able to see, you can search like in Singapore and USA Chennai International Airport also, with the help of a Tekla software, terminal expansion of steel roof trusses. If you look at about Chennai International Airport, you can look at that elevation, that projects like that.
Okay.
So Tekla structures.
Okay.
So in the first agenda, we have a Tekla structure and internal process like this. See, it is a BIM software for structural engineering, which was under like a company Trimble, and a few years total station you heard, like you heard from mechanical branch, right?
Yes, sir. I'm from mechanical bench.
Okay. Total station, it won't get used by you. Okay, it will be used for civil people. So
Okay.
Trimble company, which comes on Tekla Structures, it is a BIM 3D software for designing, detailing, and managing structural models like steel, concrete, timber, and more. See, we can in the Revit, Revit structures or Revit, yeah, not only structure. In the Revit architecture, we can do like this work, HVAC works and MEP works. We can do in the architecture. Whereas in the structures also, we can able to use steel structures, steel works in this structural, like this tech in the and the Tekla structures. Globally, structural engineers, fabricators, and contractors, they are using complete project life cycle using this structural structures. The software itself, we can able to, you can use fabrication works. Like let's take an example. Um, so, if I take a bolt here, my screen is displaying, right?
No, sir. The previous
Huh?
screen. What is Tekla structure?
No, no. Is my screen is sharing?
Yes, sir. The screen is
Okay.
sharing.
Now, if I take a bolt here, I need to give every bit point. Like this is a box. It is a rivet bolt,
Okay.
and I need to give in depth. Like it's span this much. It will be round on the top of that, and the bottom it will be like this. And inner parts of everything, we can able to give in detail, like every part I need to give in detail. With the help of Tekla structures, we can able to give in the screen itself, so that the fabricators who are going to do the fabrication works, they can easily get their one identification. Like, okay, we can able to do like this. We can able to do like that. So they will get an point.
Okay.
Okay, it was founded by acquired by Trimble in 2011, but it was founded in 2004 itself. We have the file formats like .tekla. You know, in the AutoCAD, we have a file formats. What will be
Yes,
what are the
yes.
file formats? Or let's say now, if I need to display anything on the PPT or anything, what are the file formats that we have? If I need to show anything,
PDF, JPG.
right? Very good. PDF, JPG, and .xlx. We have those type of formats. Likewise, we have the file formats in the Tekla structures like .tekla slash ifc slash drawing slash dwg file slash dgn. Those are the file formats. And we have a use case like steel and RC structural detailing. In the industry side, we can be able to show like construction, fabrication, infra. See, in the drawing section, you can able to find out like in the corner of the drawing sheet. Did you see the drawing sheets? Any drawing sheets? Did you look at any drawing sheets previously?
Actually, I did show like structural drawings. What's the structural drawings?
Are you comfortable in English or Telugu? Can
Anything
I
is
talk?
uncomfortable. Like it is okay. No problem.
All right. So in the drawing sections, in the corner of the, I mean, construction drawings, in the corner of it, you can able to see the logo of company, and down of it, you can able to see good for construction, like, and the corner of the company's name, they have infra and they have fabrication, they have construction, right?
Yes.
We can able to notation with the help of this construction fabrication, like that we can give. And standards, see, we have Indian standards, American standards, Euro code standards, and BS. We have actually, if you look previously, now it is not coming, but previous like 5 years past, in the mobiles or in the chargers, we now also it is coming on the chargers itself. They have IS, Indian standards,
Mhm.
American standards, US standards, like that. So
Yes.
right now we have companies that are totally mostly in the American standards. Mm, the construction activity, which is very good, and the Indian standards also they are giving, but most widely the companies are preferring American standards. So you know why? Because they have a standard, so that's why all people are using this American standards. And
So,
next
like, what
is,
are the difference? Like, what is the difference in Indian standards, Europe, and American? No,
hello, yeah,
I'm audible.
yeah. Could you repeat that?
Like, what is the difference between these standards, like American, Europe, and Indian? Hello.
Yeah, hello. Is it audible? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
audible now? Okay. You asked about the difference between American and Indian standards, right?
Hello.
Yeah, you asked about
Uh,
standards between American, Indian, and like European, right?
Yes, yes. What is the difference in that?
Yeah, they have a fundamental difference between we look about AISC American, European, which is Eurocodes, and the Indian standards. Like structural standards lies in between their safety philosophy, material testing methods, and regional design adaptations, like wind and seismic loads. If we look about that summary of core differences, like American standards, which comes under US, European standards, comes under EU, Indian standards comes under AIS.
Okay.
Primarily, they are focusing upon the design philosophy. It's totally based upon the R&D. R&D in the sense research and development. In the research and development side, mostly the US and after European, those countries are coming on the top list in the research and development side. So that's why most often people are using and preferring American and European standards. Then after that, they are preferring the Indian standards, like that,
Okay.
right? Have you got the point?
Yes, sir. Sure.
And they will ensure that they must have structural safety, and they need to approach calculations and load factors very differently, right? I hope you got it.
Yep. Yep.
Thank you. Okay, now we have the key features of Tekla structures. Like we have a 3D BIM modeling, like we can able to full parametric 3D models for steel, precast, reinforced concrete, and timber structures with intelligent objects. 3D BIM modeling in a sense, we have a before constructing the building or any structural members or any structure, we are having a realistic views. Realistic in the sense, before constructing the building, you can see the videos, like people are going inside and they are opening house opening ceremonies, and the width of the house, the depth of the house, and the interior designing parts, right? Like that,
Yes,
we
sir.
can able to do 3D beam molding in the Tekla, and we have a structural detailing, like auto
Okay.
generates shop drawings, rebar detailing, and fabrication ready documentation, like that. In the AutoCAD, if you look at in the AutoCAD, we need to do the every detailing part. Like we need to see look at that L 2D and uh, number of bars. Like we have see,
Yes, we need to from scratch. We need to start
yeah,
from scratch.
see, let's take it as a column, and these all are stirrups. Okay, you are from mechanical, right? Okay, I will draw this. In the bike part, we have this, right? So we need to give every detailing, like its thickness, its dia, and its radius, and what is its material. Everything we need to give in detail, right?
Yes,
It's
sir.
about, it is called detailing, detailers, which
Okay.
comes under structural detailing. And multi-user collaboration, like multiple engineers work on same model simultaneously via a Tekla modeling sharing. With the help of Tekla modeling sharing, now if I am drawing, if I am doing any design in the Tekla file, I can share to another person. I can share to another person, and the same person can easily access this project in his system. And like multiple engineers, they can able to do the same work in the same model. Next, class detection, like it detects, highlights, and interferes between structural components in real times. And we have a interoperability, like OpenBIM exports IFC, like exporting works like ETABS, SAP 2000, exporting in the sense now whatever the work that I am doing here, I can able to export through DWG file, XML file, IFC file, and with I can able to integrate with the ETABS. There also I can the SAP 2000. I can interoperability, like I can able to and next, quantity takeoff like a material release, weight reports, etc. Cost estimation. See, it is the Tekla interface overview. See here we have, it is properties a banner, like settings, like we need to text size, everything like that. In the top ribbon menu in the sense draw menu, erase, and insert ballot, tool ballots, everything we have in the toolbar ribbon menu. And here we have components catalog. Components catalog in the sense, have you used the AutoCAD?
Yeah. Yes, sure. As a beginner, I
Yeah,
can.
yeah. No worries. If you have if you get just a UI, if you know the UI, just it will look same like that. And here we have status bar. Status bar in sense, in the AutoCAD we have like a
Yep, yep.
grid mode, snap, snap off, on, right? Snap
Yeah.
mode and text, everything we can see. This one in the center of it, we have viewpoint like a drawing area. We can able to do whatever the work here we need to do in the drawing itself. Here we have a like a crosshair plus mark,
Okay.
and we have the grid modes, everything like this. So it is a Tekla interface overview. So we have a modeling workflow in Tekla, project setup, like we need to give define project settings, grid lines, reference levels, material library, and import reference. See, I'm doing one project in AutoCAD, or I'm doing a project in ETABS, or I'm doing a project in StatPro. So I can able to import easily from other softwares to Tekla. And model members. In the model members, I can able to place columns, beams, slabs, footing using catalog profiles from IS Indian standards, AISC, etc. And add connections. We can able to apply standards like a custom connection, components from catalogs like that. And reinforce and check. We can add a report cages, check clashes, review 3D models integrity. And we can generate drawings finally. Auto create drawings, sharp drawings, BOC or BOM, building on materials, and so on. See, we have a detailing drawings and reports. See, here we have general arrangements, drawings, assembled drawings, single part shop drawings, and reinforcement drawings, cast in place drawings, erection drawings. You need to get a doubt here. What is it means? Now I can able to separate every drawing like general arrangement drawings. In general arrangement drawing, in essence, I need to take a steel bars and rivet bolts and assembly drawings. Assembly drawing in the sense, see in the after entering into the project, they will. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Yeah. After entering into the project itself, the people will. or the people will separate, like you need to take this window drawing, you need to take this door drawing, you need to take this steel member, you need to take this steel column. Like that, every people will separate, and in one place all people and one person will be there. Like one person will be detailer, one person will be designer, one person will be modulation. Like that, all drawings will comes into one person. It is assembly drawings. Assembly drawing is this, all will get into one place. And simply, if you get an understanding, like now we have a CPU, right? CPU.
Yes, sir.
On the top of CPU, the company label will be there, like HP, Dell, Lenovo, like that.
Yep.
See, if you look at the every part of the CPU, and RAM is one company, and the processor is one company. Let's take it is from Intel or Horizon, etc. And
Yes.
if you look at that, fan is one company, and graphic card is one company, right? And
Yep.
after
Yep.
that, totally they will give an mark that it is from HP, it is from something. What we will do, they will bring every item and they will assemble, right? And it is called as
Assembly
and it is
drawings.
called as CPU.
Assembly drawing, right?
Yeah, assemble, and we
Okay.
are calling it as
CPU in
CPU,
this
right?
case.
Yeah, like that same itself, we have
Yes. Yes.
assembly drawings and single part shop drawings and reinforcement drawings like rebars and cast in place drawings, like I need to cast in situ, in the sense whatever the works that are doing in the physically, those comes under cast in situ. And erection drawings, in the sense the person that they are doing in the workplace. Next, reports and exports. See, we have bill of materials and weight reports, bolt list and anchor bolts, and files of fabrication, IFC exports, and custom reports via templates. Next, see, Tekla and other structural softwares. We are having main differences between StatPro, ETABS, Rivet structure. See, in the 3D modeling, in the 3D modeling uh, and BIM, we have Tekla. It is topmost. Excellent. In the shop drawings, they will generate automatically. But whereas in the StatPro, no, it will generate automatically. In the 3D modeling, the StatPro, it is just a basic version. And in the ETABS, we have moderate, like okay, medium. And in the Rivet structure, good, fine, not bad. In the shop drawings, see, in the Stat Pro and ETABS, they are not having, but in the Rivet structure, it is limited, like limited editions. But in the whereas comes under Tekla structures, it is auto generated. We don't have to do anything work, right? In
Okay.
the IS code supports, all are full except Rivet structures, partial. IS code supports, in the sense they will take the IS code code book and they will apply automatically. If we assign in the Stat Pro, while assigning the codes, we can take that code books and assigning process. Did you use the Stat Pro? Stat Pro ANSYS?
No, sir.
No. Okay, no worries. And in the fabrication analysis, we have files like NC files, BVM, bill of materials. Previous slide we look about that. In the Stat Pro, ETABS, they are not having NC files. In the BIM, we have Open BIM. It's a limited, it is IFC supported native BIM.
Okay.
See, we have hands-on demo checklist. Just open a new project, create column, create column. See, in the open new project, we need to set project name. Like if we use again Start Pro, why I'm telling you is just user interface. It will look like the same Start Pro. While opening new project, we need to set project name like some project name. Your name? Your good name?
Maruti sir, Maruti Verma.
Maruti Verma. See, in the project name, Maruti Verma project, material standards, Indian standards, American standards, or US standards, like that.
Okay.
And grid lines, 5 meter, 5 meter bay, 3 floors. See, it is 5 meter by 5 meter. And base, one, two, three base, right?
Yes.
Next, we need to create a column. Use the create column tool. With the help of column tool, we need to select the place like ISMB, ISHB. Have you have you used steel tables?
No
Steel
sir.
tables book? No, not it.
Steel?
Yeah, steel table books. Steel table books. And the diploma, I think steel table books. You maybe you got it. Do you have any design subject? The mechanical,
Can you
any
repeat it?
steel. Do you have any steel subject? Steel subject like
No sir.
no? Okay, no
No,
worries.
no.
In that
Mhm.
we have ISMB,
Okay.
IS, ISHB. Like that we have.
Okay.
Okay, no worries.
ISSB means these are the models of the columns or
Yeah, yeah,
something.
right. Yeah, those are the sizes of the. I mean, see, we have I section, we have T section, right?
Okay. I section, B section.
Yeah, I section T. In the I section T section segment, we have ISMB. In this TSMB, like that. So they used to
Okay.
call like this. Okay. Yeah, all right. So in the in the third step, we need to do create beam. Like you need to create beam, select ISMB 400, connected beam hands floor to floor levels, and apply connections. Like component catalog, we have apply end plates, component 144, adjust bolt patterns, and here in the step 5 class check, like run class check from model menu, identifies. And in the step 6, generate drawings. Here we have auto generation, create single part drawings like this. See here in the key takeaways, we are having industry standard BIM tools. Industry standard BIM tools is Tekla is the most widely used software for steel and concrete structural detailing globally, not in the India wide or in the Asian continent or Western countries or US, not like that. In the total globally, Tekla is the most widely used software for steel and concrete structural detailings. Why? Because the key benefits are automatically generated drawings. See now we got AI. With the help of AI, the time it is really decreasing and it is really saving our time. See, just if you give any prompt, it is
Okay.
we are getting easily. So what is the benefit of in the sense? I can able to save my time by using AI. So it is a very better thing because I'm saving my time. I can able to reach my destiny and I can able to complete my project within a seconds.
Okay.
That's why they are using Tekla for the automatically generated drawings. And from model to model fabrication. See, we have complete workflow like a 3D analysis. See, we have 3D analysis, 3D model, analysis, link, detailing, drawings, NC file, site erection. Site erection. We can able to do site erection also in the software itself. See, we have IS code compatibles, supports Indian standards, ISA, ISMB, ISHB, ISMC, and IS 456, IS 800. See, IS 456 for concrete design. It is for steel designs. So like that. And we have collaboration ready. Like Tekla model, they can share enables multi-user. I previously we spoken about. multiple user multiple user sharing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, in that we can able to share across teams and offices. Now here career relevance. See, if we look at see ultimately, if we learn any software or anything in the present era, our ultimate goal is we need to get a job, right?
Yes.
And after getting job, what are the resources that it having, and in the future, is it having any scope for job means? See, you have 100% scope. Most scope is in the Middle East countries, mostly, most widely, because heavy construction they are conducting in the Middle East, like skyscrapers they are constructing. So if you need to do complete this tries, not only I am not telling that only in the Middle East you're having scope. Not I'm not telling like that. We are having a scope in the Indian also. In the India
Okay.
and abroad also we have much scope for the Tekla, right?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Do you have any queries?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, please.
So, like, how can we integrate like AI into the Tekla software? Like, we can integrate AI into Tekla software and like finish work fast. Like, in the sense, if I give it, we get a drawings right from the toy or like some guy, and we need to detail it in the software. Just why can't we give it to the drawing to the AI and ask for AI to can you detail the draft version of it, and we can like complete the process. You got the point, right? I got my point right. Can we use that?
And
Can we do that?
yeah, it's becoming more trending, right? If you uh, absolutely. See now,
Sorry, your
moving into
voice is
Tekla
breaking.
Structures.
I can't hear you.
Okay. Actually, can Tekla. So starting with Tekla Structures 2025, they are moving structure 26. They directly embedded
Sorry,
some
sorry to say, but I can't hear you. Voice is lagging.
lagging. Yeah. Oh, now.
I know it's fine. Good.
Okay. See now, they are releasing the Tekla 2026 release version. No, Trimble has directly embedded a native production-ready AI tools into the software. So, third party also allows, they to build the external branded AI for into flow. See, uh, we spoke about drawings, right? Fabrication drawings.
Sorry, I can't
So,
hear you. Say it again.
not here,
No, no, no. It's lagging.
lagging, maybe internet issue.
Yep.
No worries, no worries. So we heard about fabrication drawings, right?
Yes,
Previously.
yes, yeah.
See, what it does means is builds in AI tools automates the tedious our long task of cleaning up of fabrication drawings. It uses machine learning to match your current 3D assembles.
Mm. Hello, Sanya.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, okay. The time has completed maybe. Okay, no worries. See, if you take, where did we stop it?
Like using of AI.
Okay. See, if you look into any bus booking apps, bus booking apps, and e-commerce websites, if you look at there, um, every company they are creating their own AI, right?
Yes, yes,
Like in the Amazon, we have that AI model. If we need
yes.
to ask
AI
any
chatbot.
queries, yeah, AI chatbots. And in the IRCTC app also, they are having some